Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin on CMC Markets. And it's quite simple because what we need to do is search right here for Bitcoin here in the chart. So if you click on reset and search right here Bitcoin, you will find here Bitcoin, and then we need this one. So click on this one, and then right now we are having here the chart of Bitcoin. So let's click on it again. There we have it. And then right now we want to buy Bitcoin. So what we're gonna do is click here on the blue icon right there. And now we can create ourselves an order. And then we fill in the amount of Bitcoin that we want to buy. So let's buy 10 grand of Bitcoin. And then the only thing that we need to do is click right here on the blue icon and then do place a market buy with costs. And right now, if you can see right here, we created ourselves an order on the market. If you create the order by yourself, you can also add a stop loss or take profit on it just to do on risk management. And this is how you can buy Bitcoin on CMC Markets. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.